Welcome students. Today's topic is covalent bond. It is a bond which is formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms, and it is represented or shown by a dash. Types of covalent bond. Single bond, double bond, and triple bond. The single bond is shown by single dash, double bond is shown by double dash, and triple bond is shown by triple dashes. Now let us consider some examples. Single bond, we are taking here example of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule consists of two similar hydrogen atoms. Therefore, just to distinguish between them, we are putting A and B. Atomic number is 1, so its electronic configuration will be 2. So its configuration will be 1. Similarly, here its configuration will be 1. It is 1. How to draw a structure of this? This is one valence electron. This is another valence electron. This is another valence electron. Now see here. This hydrogen becomes 2. Now it is stable. This hydrogen atom also becomes stable by sharing one itself it is having, and another it will share by another hydrogen atom. So now it becomes completed stable, and this also becomes stable by sharing one electron. So this will be your, or we can show it like this, hydrogen. Okay, now we are taking here one more example of water molecule, because this is very common example. H2O, it consists of 3 atoms, H, and O. Because 2 hydrogen atoms are same, therefore similar, therefore we are putting here A and B for their distinction. 1, electronic configuration is 1. Here oxygen atomic number is 8, so it becomes 2 and 6. Now how to draw its structure? Here 3 atoms we are having here, so while drawing structure we have to keep this thing in mind. From these 3, one will be as the central atom, centrum. So here oxygen is your central atom having 6 electrons in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one valence electrons of this hydrogen, and this is for another hydrogen. See here, this becomes your 2, here this becomes your 2. Now this oxygen atom, already this oxygen atom is having 6 electron, valence electron. 2 it will take from these hydrogen atom. So now this becomes your water molecule. How to draw its structure? By showing bond. Okay, so now let's go for double bond. Double bond, we are taking here example oxygen molecule. Same thing, oxygen A, oxygen B, atomic number is 8, atomic number is 8, configuration will be 2, 6, again 2, 6, oxygen, 6 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Another oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just for the beauty of the structure, we are keeping, while drawing electrons, we are thinking of showing off symmetry here. This becomes 8. Here this becomes 8. Now this becomes oxygen. 2 bonds. See, these 2 bonds are there. These 4 electrons undergo sharing. 2 electrons for one single bond and another 2 electrons for another single bond. Now triple bond. Now triple bond. See it here. This oxygen is having 6 electrons. This oxygen is also having 6 valence electrons. They all undergo sharing. This becomes your 8. This becomes your 8. 4 electrons undergo sharing and forming 2 covalent bonds, and it is shown by these. Now third is our triple bond. And here we are taking example nitrogen molecule. Because both nitrogen are similar, therefore we are putting here A and B just for its nitrogen atom. Atomic number is 7. Same is here. The configuration is 2 and 5. Same is here, 2 and 5. Now how to draw a structure? Nitrogen, these 5 valence electrons we will show. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for another, again 5 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, 5 of this and 3 of this. This becomes 8. Similarly with this nitrogen atom, it is having 5 and 3 from this, it will becomes 8. So now both are stable. Now this becomes a stable molecule by sharing of some electrons. Now how to show this molecule by bonds? One covalent bond, another covalent bond, and again another covalent bond, because this nitrogen molecule is connected to each other, or we can say, for the formation of nitrogen molecule 3 covalent bonds are involved. See how they are involved. This is one, and this is one. I hope it is understood to you. Thank you for watching this video.